In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Deepthink R1 model in Deepseek. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my web browser to the Google homepage. I click on the search bar and type in Deepseek I log in to search for the official platform login page. From the search results, I click on the first link for Deepseek to navigate to their interface. Once the page loads, I see the main chat interface, which asks me to start chatting. I look closely at the text input panel at the bottom, where it says, Message Deepseek. Right below this field, I see a button labeled, Deepthink. I click directly on this, Deepthink, toggle to enable the advanced reasoning model for my session, as indicated by the blue icon. Now that the Deepthink R1 model is active, I click inside the text box to type my complex scenario. I type out a comprehensive prompt asking the AI to act as an expert problem solver and use its specialized reasoning path to solve a detailed business challenge. I click the blue arrow send button on the right to submit it. The platform immediately begins processing my complex request. As I scroll down through the document, I can see a beautifully organized layout starting with section 1, which details the budget allocation recommendation. It features a complete data table showing the specific channels, allocations like $20,000 for email marketing, and their respective percentages. Continuing further down the analysis, I check the detailed sections outlining the core reasoning behind each decision. Section 2 explains the specific return on investment mechanics for email marketing, social media ads, and influencer campaigns, breaking down the pros and cons using clear formatting. I keep scrolling past Section 3, which weighs the critical trade-offs like short-term revenue versus long-term brand value, using an easy-to-read star rating system for dimensions like speed to scale and cost control. Finally, I view Section 4 with its comprehensive ROI estimates table, Section 5 outlining the phased execution priorities over the upcoming months, and Section 6 providing a solid final conclusion summarizing the total expected revenue. The deep reasoning model has effectively organized and translated the entire complex business strategy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.